Netizens nag-react sa pahayag ni Loisa Andalio na hindi niya umanong maintindihan at parang napakalungkot naman pag nagsosolo travel. Nagkalat sa social media ngayon ang mga tao na nagpapakita ng kanilang kagustuhan para mag-solo traveling. Ngunit inamin naman ng kapamilya actress na si Loisa Andalio na ito ay hindi para sa kanya. Mas gusto daw niya kasi umanong mag-travel kasama ang kanyang loved ones o ang mga minamahal sa buhay. Mapapansin ngang palagi niyang kasama ang kanyang boyfriend na si Rodney Alonte tuwing nagta-travel o kaya naman ay ang kanyang pamilya. At bagamat maituturing na therapeutic para sa ilan ang solo traveling, ay itinuturing naman nila itong less fulfilling para sa kanila. Paliwanag ni Loisa, siyempre mas na-appreciate natin yung napupuntahan natin pag mahal natin yung kasama natin. Basta ini-enjoy lang naman yung mga moments na magkakasama kami. Gumaganda rin yung view dahil sa kasama natin. Minsan kasi ang hindi ko maintindihan yung mga tao na nagso-solo travel. Parang ang lungkot kasi sino yung kabatuhan mo na ang ganda ng view? Grabe yung pinagdadaanan talaga siguro nila para gusto nilang magiging solo na lang. At dahil nga sa kanyang pahayag na ito ay maraming netizens at mga solo travelers ang nagpaliwanag rin ng kanilang side. Ayon sa isa, "Oh no, not all solo travelers are may pinagdadaanan. It is called me time, a time for yourself, a solitude, serenity." Ayon naman sa isa, "I don't agree with sa may pinagdadaanan but that's her opinion. Maraming klaseng solo travelers sa mundo. I travel alone so many times and it's the best teacher." Pagsangayon naman ng isa, "Same here, I really have a peace of mind when traveling by myself. I disagree also when traveling alone is a lonely person, but trust me, it's not. I am not going to wait for others to see the world. Traveling alone is the most thrilling and liberating experience." That is her opinion and I respect that. Been to 11 countries and half of 82 provinces so far, ang gaganda ng experience ko. Please try it once. It's not all the time that your loved ones will travel with you, madam. Sometimes masarap pag-travel alone. You will discover more of yourself also being independent. And one day also, yung mga loved ones na kasama mo mag-travel, they will be gone, so learn to be alone. Ang sarap kayang mag-solo travel. You will discover how you can both be independent and brave. Traveling solo is actually a different kind of freedom and adventure. If given the chance, this is one of my bucket list. To travel solo. Traveling with someone is fun, but traveling solo can sometimes be even more fun, exciting, and self-fulfilling. I sometimes prefer traveling solo and eating solo. I can be alone with my own thoughts. Decisions ko lang ang masusunod na walang iniisip na iba and hindi na ako compromise. And most importantly, I can take my time and nasusolo ko ang food. Solo traveler here for years. It's fun. Be open-minded and go out of your comfort zone. Solo travel and own experience with no opinion from others is the best. It means you have more time enjoying with yourself. You gotta get out of your comfort zone. Solo travel feels great, just saying. Ayon naman sa isang netizen, ang ganda kayang mag-solo travel. Mas marami kang nadi-discover sa sarili mo na hindi mo alam, kaya mong gawin. Kung introvert ka, napipilitan kang makihalubilo sa strangers kasi wala kang ibang malalapitan kundi ang sarili mo. Masaya kaya siya at kakaibang peace yung nabibigay. As an extroverted person, you may also be excited to get to know people along your journey. I don't totally agree with grabe ang pinagdadaanan nila. Yes, masaya mag-travel na may kasama. Pero iba din feeling to travel alone. Hindi sa may pinagdadaanan kasi guilty ako dyan sa solo traveler. Masaya din naman mag-travel alone. Try mo kaya, sarap sa feeling, promise. May pinagdadaanan talaga? Hindi ba pwedeng ayaw lang namin yung enjoy na enjoy ka pa, tapos yung kasama mo uwing-uwi na? Your perspective is too narrow, Miss Loisa. Just because someone is alone doesn't mean they are sad. People who travel solo are often strong, independent individuals who don't need company to enjoy their adventures. Sometimes, a person's characteristics play a role. You might not know this, but there are extroverts, introverts, and ambiverts. Those who travel solo often have introverted personality. So if you can't broaden your imagination, it's better not to imagine at all. Dagdag pa ng isa, it's not about may pinagdadaanan sila. Hindi ako mahilig mag-travel but I value my time. Self-care, becoming comfortable in my own company can give me the time and freedom to truly explore my own passions without interference. Nope, it's for personal growth. You'll grow more, discover yourself more. You'll meet new friends. You become strong, mature, and independent. You'll become smarter as well. Self-reliance. If you are afraid to travel solo, then you aren't strong enough. Hirit naman ng isang netizen. Halika dito be, ipapaintindi ko sa'yo kung gaano kasayang mag-travel mag-isa. Well, some are independent enough, prefer to enjoy their own company, the peace, solitude, and spending time alone with your own thoughts. And not everyone traveling alone is lonely or may pinagdadaanan, at hindi rin lahat kayang gumastos na kasama ang mahal-mahal sa buhay sa lahat ng lakad. Also, traveling alone is a valuable time for self-reflection, to connect with yourself too. Solo travel means independence. You meet new people along the way. There is nothing wrong traveling alone. I also want to try that, to discover more of yourself and try being independent. It's nice. Kaya nga pag kumain ka lang mag-isa, pipicturean ka nila tapos gagawa ng istorya sa social media na malungkot daw buhay mo. Stay strong daw. Pero sa totoo, you're the happiest when you are alone. Only introverts know. Grabe naman sa may pinagdadaanan. Kasalanan ba namin mag-solo flight kesa makipagplano tapos nauuwi lang sa drawing? Solo traveling is good. It is quite difficult to schedule a trip with friends and family, for we're not following the same schedule. The clock is ticking. Go to the places that you want to visit or see at least once in your lifetime. Solo traveling makes one independent. Yes, we all love our family and it is beautiful too to spend quality time with them. But solo traveling is beautiful too. I can't describe the feeling exactly, but there's this unique sense of being independent and brave because solo traveling is not merely exploring places, but it is also discovering yourself too. Sometimes it takes isolation to know yourself deeper, and you'll be surprised discovering the adventure land inside your own mind while traveling alone. Huh? Wala kang pakialam kung hindi masaya or masaya ang mga solo traveler kasi sariling kasiyahan nila sinusunod nila. Believe me, solo traveling is the best kind of traveling, a different kind of gift you can give to yourself. But of course, it depends on how you would spend it. If magmumukmuk ka at magdadrama ka lang, you'll never know the true essence of it.